everyone, it's Rachel, and today I thought I would pop in and surprise you with a shop update. So as some of you may know, or some new people may not know, I actually sell my charms online and I haven't sold anything since April 2018 and it's now July 2019, so it's been a good 15, 16 or so months. I've finally found the motivation to make a few new charms and finish them and sell them, so that's what I'm doing now. In this particular video today, I'm going to be showing you all the different charms that are available, which are all the ones on top here, and then all the ones just in the box are duplicates, so they're copies. And yeah, let's get straight into it because I'm sure you're wanting to know what is available. Also, some important details that I probably should mention. My shop is called Creative Rachy. It's linked down in the description box below, as it always is. And this shop restock is going to be happening this week. I probably should have thought of a date before I started filming this video. I will put it on the screen now. So this is when the shop restock will be happening. This time that I am showing you on the screen right now is Australian time. So if you're in the US or even the UK or Canada or anywhere else pretty much in the world, it's probably going to be the day before. So please keep that in mind. You can go onto Google and use like a time converter if you want to know exactly when it's going to be happening for you. And as always, like these shop restocks, I'm not going to be releasing everything at once. So say with my chubby dinos, I might only start off with selling 4 of them, but obviously I've got more than 4. So that means that if you miss out the first time, you will have a second chance, and it also makes it a lot easier for me because I don't have to package hundreds of packages at once. So let's get into showing the charms. Now, all these first charms are actually left over from my previous update, but I'll show you them all again just to refresh your memory, or if you've never seen them before, that's fine too. Oops, and I've got 2 of the same charm. So these are all in my Chubby Animal collection, so they're pretty much just chubby animals of different types, and I will show you what they are now. So probably the most popular and well-known chubby animal is this one, and this is a chubby dino. All of the chubby animals also have these 3 hearts, which means they're kind of like in the collection. So this is what the chubby dino looks like, and they all come on silver clasps as well, so you can hang them off like a bag or a zip or your keys or anything you like. I then also have 2 chubby cats, and I have 2 different colors. So I've got a light grey one, and then it has some darker grey stripes on the head and on the back and the tail. Again, it's got the 3 little hearts because it's in the collection. And then very similar, I've got like a tan cat, and then it's got the brown stripes. And all of these charms, by the way, are glazed with UV resin. So they're super shiny and smooth, and it also adds like an extra layer of protection as well. Next up, I have a chubby little snow leopard charm, and that's what that one looks like. It's white on the front or the face, and then on the back it's like little spots, and it's shaded with chalk pastels. I have a chubby bear charm. There's a penguin. A fox. That's what the back looks like with the tail. And also a koala. Whoops, when it focuses, there we go. That there is the Chubby Animal collection. I do have more than 1 each available, but obviously here I was just showing you what types are available. So they will be listed on the shop in the restock. I then have 3 different donut varieties available. Now these 2 are the Galaxy type, and I've sold these before. So this one here is just a Kawaii glitter Galaxy donut, and it's just like a regular Galaxy. This one is a pastel glitter Galaxy donut with a little Kawaii face, and they look like that on the back, so they're just a plain donut. And then this one is a new type that I recently made last week, and this is a rainbow donut. So it has on the front, the icing is like a rainbow ombre, and it has a kawaii face with some glitter towards the top of the icing, and then just like those other donuts, it's plain on the back. I have 2 types of dolphin charms. I have a lighter blue one and a darker blue one. These are both made with the Fimo quartz colors. So this one is Fimo ice quartz, which means it's kind of like translucent-y, shimmery, like it looks really cool. And these ones come on gold clasps as well. So that's the lighter one, and then this is the darker one. This one's made with Fimo blue agate. So it's not as translucent, but it still has a nice shimmer to it when you can actually see it in the light. And that's what the bottoms look like as well. I then have a few star varieties. So just like the Galaxy Donuts, I have these Galaxy stars and they're made with the same glitter mix. So it looks like this. These are just little simple ones. It's got a kawaii face on the front and then the black is just plain and glittery. And this particular one comes on a gold clasp. And then I also have these two, and these come as a set. So these are like best friend charms. These are Dan and Phil inspired with the cat whiskers from Pin-Off, and these ones come on silver lobster clasps. Sorry, I actually missed this charm before. This is also in the Chubby Animal collectibles, and it's a chubby jellyfish. So you can see it's got the 3 hearts, and they only come in pink. I just forgot to show you before. So that is also a variety of the Chubby Animals. Then from my previous update, I also have some of these fancy macarons, I call them. So it's a little macaron charm made out of pink and pearl clay. And on the front, it's got a little kawaii face and it has a little mustache and a monocle with a dangly chain. And it's also got a tiny little raised eyebrow, if you can see that. I have some kawaii chocolate frappuccinos, so they're just swirled on the bottom with a kawaii face, and then on top they've got some whipped cream with chocolate and caramel sauce. There's some kawaii popsicle charms that look like this. So these come in 4 different colors. There's a lilac, a light blue, a light pink, and a mint color. They all have little kawaii faces made out of brown clay. They all come on silver clasps, and then the backs are just plain and look like this. I then have a new item inspired by the Chubby Dinosaurs, and I made some Chubby Dinosaur cupcakes, which look like this. So pretty much they have the same colors and everything, and they're pretty much the same as the Chubby Dinos, just in a cupcake form. I then decided to bring back my little Fawn Charms, and a lot of people always used to like these ones, and I really like them too. So it's just a cute little fawn. They're super shiny with the resin, and they come on a gold lobster clasp, and then all the little details are painted on. There's some kawaii ravioli charms, and I decided to make these ages ago, and I reckon I posted a photo on Instagram maybe nearly 2 years ago when I started making these to sell, and I'm only just doing it now. I need to find that photo. Anyway, I asked on Instagram ages ago if these should be sold like individually or in a set. I did a poll on my story, and most people said in a set. So these are going to be sold in a set of 4. So when you purchase this product, you're going to get all 4 kawaii ravioli charms. So there's all different shapes, as you can probably see with your eyes. So there's a circular ravioli, and then on the back they're just plain. There's like a semicircular one. There's a little kawaii square one. And then there's this one which everyone probably liked the most over on Instagram, which was the little sad square one because he's been bitten. And inside you can see some of the filling, which is like spinach and cheese or spinach and ricotta, whatever you like to call it. So yeah, that's what those ones look like. And then the last things that I'm going to be selling are these hedgehog charms. Now you may have seen these either in my charm collection video or my charm update video, which happened at the start of the year. I decided to make these for my shop and actually sell them. Now I haven't added any clasps or anything to these yet, but they've got silver eye pins, so they'll have silver clasps on them. Now I've got 6 different types, and these are only one of a kind, so there's only one of each of these ones. So the first little hedgehog is a brown one, and the spikes have like different shades of brown on them, and that's what the bottom looks like. This next one is shaded with some different colors, so it's got purple, pink, blue, and yellow, kind of like sunset inspired, I guess. This is another pastel one. This one has pink, purple, aqua, and blue, and it's much more pastel than the other one. I have this one which has pink spikes, and then right on the tips, if you can see there, it's been painted with gold paint. This one's kind of galaxy / night themed, and this one has pearly blue spikes, again with the gold detailing on the ends of the spikes. And then finally I have this cute little one which on the spikes pretty much just has a bunch of glitter, which looks really pretty when it's in the right lighting. So these are all the charms, or all the varieties of charms, that I will be releasing again in my shop this week. Don't forget, you can find the link down in the description box below. I really hope that you're able to purchase something if you can, and if you do purchase something, I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support, and know that it means a lot and it helps me to keep being able to make charms and make videos and everything like that. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, especially because it's taken me so long to make a restock and it's finally here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!